Hello again everybody to another review of Combat Patrol Magazine, Hatchet Partworks issue 12. So here we go, we got the first part to our Terminators. No bases provided, so we've got our homing beacon there, our Sergeant's sword is there, and an assault cannon. So there you go, exactly the same Terminators that we got in Leviathan Boxer. Right, jumping straight into the magazine. So here's the artwork. They're basically stating it's part 1 of 2. So we're going to be able to finish this Terminator squad with issue 13. So artwork there, Ultramarines in Terminator armor, doing the business. And let's just jump straight in. So how to build our Terminator squad. Here we have the instructions. And obviously, as I said, there was no bases provided with this issue. So they're obviously going to be used in the combat report in issue 13. So there's our instructions. And then we go straight into the tactical doctrine for read 1. Ultramarines again, captain there in his heavy Primaris armor. A Space Marine captain coordinates his forces as they prepare to engage the enemy. So I'll leave this here. Anyone wants a quick read? Start talking about some of the selective weapons that Space Marines have, whether they're Primaris Marines or Terminators, a bolt rifle, and obviously there's a few variants of bolt rifles. And then our Storm Bolters. And then our assault bolters. So assault doctrine there with Lieutenant Titus as the poster boy for this page from Space Marine 2. I'll just zoom out a bit. Anyone wants to have a quick read of that? Some melee weapons. So we got a chainsaw, power fist, and a power sword, our plasma pistol and bolt pistols. And it now looks like we're starting to be talking about battle shock tests. Again, obviously another sort of like part of the rules. So if they're below half strength, it takes incredible willpower to hold firm in the face of heavy casualties. Even Space Marines may find their resolve shaken at times. In Warhammer 40,000, this is represented by battle shock tests. When your units are below half strength, they risk becoming battle shocked for a turn and being less effective. If a unit falls below half of its starting number of models, it is considered to be below half strength. Similarly, a single model unit is considered to be below half strength when it loses over half of its starting wounds. So obviously they're using our wound markers there as a guide. I think what they're trying to say is here that the 2 red ones, they're casualties, and so the rest of the Space Marines have to take a battle shock test. Obviously we'll cover more of this on the combat report. Battle shock and objective control. If a unit fails a battle shock test, that unit is battle shocked until the beginning of the next command phase, when it will likely need to take another battle shock test. A unit that is battle shocked is always considered to have OC of 0, regardless of what the unit's data sheet says. This means a battle shocked unit may never contest an objective. You take a battle shock test before scoring points from objectives for the turn. And then here we go, our hold or die scenario. Again, it's going to be another decent sized battle here. Obviously the Infernus squad, Librarian Terminator armor and the Captain Terminator armor against Barbed Gaunts, the Winged Tyranid Prime, Ron Violent Leapers and Termagaunts, and the terrain for the Tyranids is still in play. And obviously we're still using from that last issue the objective markers that will need to be held or taken over. So in sequence, Space Marines turn 1. Example, move and shoot. our Tyrannus turn 1. Example, charging fight. I think this is the first time I've seen this in any of these magazines actually, where we've actually gone on to a turn 2. Tyrannus turn 2. Our examples, move and shoot. And then, was it a Space Marine victory? Or was it a Tyrannus victory? Again, our second to last page, same as usual. And then our issue 13, to part 2 of our Terminate squad. And then the paints that we'll be getting, Rakkar Flesh and Screamer Pink. So that concludes the video. I hope everyone enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon in the next video. Bye bye for now.